In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Miro in Chrome, log in, place sticky notes or shapes on a board, and type using a Bangla font layout. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer and go to Miro.com. Once the site loads, sign into your account so you can access your boards and editing tools. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full workspace appears. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one profile in Chrome. After logging in, open the board where you want to work. Miro's interface is designed around a large visual canvas, and most of the creation tools you need are located on the left side of the screen. On the left toolbar, choose either the sticky note tool or the shape tool depending on what you want to add to the board. Sticky notes are great for quick ideas, labels, or short pieces of text, while shapes can help you organize information visually and build cleaner layouts. Once you've selected the tool, move your cursor onto the board and drag to place the element where you want it. Take a moment to position it carefully so your board stays neat and easy to understand. If needed, you can adjust the placement after dropping it, so don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. Keeping enough space between items can also make your board easier to edit later. Now, if you want to type using a Bangla font layout, switch the keyboard input in Chrome to your Bangla input option before you begin typing. This is important because the text you enter will follow whichever keyboard layout is currently active. After switching the input method, click inside the sticky note or shape and start typing your Bangla text. If the characters don't appear as expected, double check that the correct keyboard input is enabled before continuing. As you work, it can help to type a few words first to confirm the layout is functioning properly. That way you can correct any input issues early and avoid retyping content later. Once everything is working, continue adding your notes or shapes and entering your Bangla text directly onto the board. That's the full process. Open Miro in Chrome, log in, select a sticky note or shape from the left toolbar, drag it onto the board, and switch your Chrome keyboard input to type in Bangla smoothly and accurately.